In this video, we're going to talk about how to place borders around cells in Microsoft Excel 2016. So we're going to go back to the Excel spreadsheet that we were working with in the last video. We're going to be working on sheet 1, and this is 06 Contoso revenue. If you don't have this file up, you can just follow along. Just look on and see what we're doing and how to do it, because it would be the same in any other spreadsheet. So we're going to select the cell range A3 to D3. So we're going to select the range of our titles over our columns. We're going to be on the Home tab, and in the font group, we're going to click the Borders button. So here, and click this Borders button. And we're actually going to click the arrow next to it. And this is going to open the menu. And we're going to select the top and bottom border. So we can select whatever border pattern we want. We can do the bottom border, top border, left border, right border. You can turn the borders off if they're on by using the no border. We can do all borders. But we're going to do top and bottom border. So that's down here, top and bottom border. If you click off your cells, you'll realize that it now has, it's a little bit thicker, it's a little bit more distinct. There is a border that encapsulates these cells, just the top and bottom. We don't have dividers between them. We just have a border above and a border below. So we're gonna keep this selection selected. So A3 to D3. We're going to open the Borders menu again. And we're going to click on More Borders at the bottom. And this is going to open our Format Cells dialog box. And we're going to be on the Borders tab. So if it doesn't automatically push you to the Borders tab, you need to click on the Borders tab. But if you get to it from the specific area on the font group, the Borders button, you should automatically go to the Borders tab. You can get to this dialog box in multiple ways, but you need to be on the Border tab. Click a thicker line weight. So maybe maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one down over here on the second column. It's a little bit thicker than normal. You could go even thicker if you wanted to. But I'm going to stick with this one that's just a smidge thicker. And we're going to click on our top and our bottom border to apply that style to the borders that we have selected and turned on. We're going to click the color. So right now it's on automatic. So we're going to open the color palette. And we have theme colors and we have standard colors. Our standard colors are always at the bottom. They go from red to purple at the bottom. And here we need to read. We basically start at the top column. And we hover over each color. If you're taking the Excel certification test, you're going to have to pick the correct color that it tells you to pick. So you always start at the top. And you know this is the column for red accent 2 or the column for aqua accent 5. And we're going to select we're actually just going to go down here and do the blue. Just click on blue, click OK. And you should have blue borders. Let's see. Let's do that again. I still have black borders. So we're going to go back to our borders. Dialog box, more borders. So we have this, our colors, we're going to be blue. We're going to select our border. We're going to select our border. I've forgotten to select the borders before. That's an important step. Click OK. And now if we click away from that cell range, we'll see that it has a blue border at the top and a blue border at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. So you could add borders in the middle, you could add borders on the ends, however you want to format and make your information more readable for your audience.